We will continue our lessons and learn about print areas. There are many times when we don't need to print the entire worksheet, but only a certain area of it. Let's select, for example, this area here, and from the Page Layout tab, click Print Area. Then we click Set Print Area. Now if we navigate to the Print Preview, we'll be able to see that only this area will be printed.
In case we have changed our mind to want to print the entire worksheet, we have to clear this print area first. So we are going back to the Page Layout tab, we select the Print Area and Clear Print Area. If we navigate to the Print Preview now, we will be able to see that Excel will print the entire worksheet.
Next, we will explain some more print options. Our screen is currently displaying the Large Amounts worksheet. If we hold the Control key down and click the Students worksheet, we'll select both these two worksheets. You may observe that the selected worksheets are displayed in white background with bold, underlined font, whereas the non-selected ones are displayed in gray background with normal font. We click the File tab and then the Print command. There we have the following options. This point here allows us to select the printer we want to print to. And this area here allows us to select the pages we want to print. If we want to print specific pages, we click this point here and define the number of these pages. We have selected to print the first, the second, and the third page. We can also select the entire workbook, that's all 5 worksheets if we want to. We can also select to print the selected worksheets only. Let me remind you that we've already selected the Large Amounts and Students worksheets. Then we set the number of copies to 2, for example. If we select Collated, our worksheets will be printed in the following way. All pages will be printed once, and then all of them will be printed once again. If we select Uncollated, the first page will be printed twice, the second one will be printed twice, and the third one will also be printed twice, because we've set the number of copies to 2. This concludes our lesson in printing. We've learned how to define and delete a print area and reviewed all the other print options that Excel gives us.